Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my brand new listings. This is an exceptionally clean, one owner, Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll go through the boat itself and some of the options. So up front, we've got the optional stainless steel anchor, and this is what we call the platinum hull. Absolutely beautiful. Something you don't see very much in the water. She does have the sun pad that goes up front, not on there currently. Real nice Simrad electronic. With the triple Mercury 350 Barados. These are the optional whites. These are the upgraded 350s here. Also joystick docking. So standard on the boat is going to be air conditioning, generator, things along that line. This one also has the really nice weather enclosure. 345 is a great family boat, also a very serious fishing boat. So if you're doing some extended cruisings and things like that, you know, head to the Keys, Bahamas. At cruise, which is about 32 miles an hour, you have somewhere in the neighborhood of around 380 miles cruise range, you know, depending on seas and things like that. So this seat's also very comfortable, rolls forward, also rolls aft. This one does have the optional, standard cockpit grill right here, nice isotherm refrigerator. Here at the dash, we were talking about this earlier. This is going to be your joystick, autopiloting here, digital throttle and shift. She also has the automatic trim tabs. These Simrads are very, very nice units, 16-inch, two of them. You have your Mercury vessel view, and with the Simrads, all of your diagnostics for your motors come up. Standard is going to be your cockpit air conditioning, very, very efficient. And this one also has your optional outriggers here for the fishermen out there. So when we go down to the cabin, very, very nice layout. We have a V-berth up front, and that table right there goes up and down. So very comfortable, you know, if you're doing some entertaining, spending the night on the boat, have the family out for the weekend type thing. Nice sized galley. The aft cabin on this is very large, so you can sleep two very, very comfortably. Here's your big screen TV. Gotta have your rods on the inside, so there's your rod storage right there. Fully enclosed head with the shower. So there's your vacuum flush head. There's your sink. Probably have about 7-foot headroom inside there. So really, really clean boat. So to recap, 2016 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. One owner. Boat's been stored inside since new. Excellent condition. And again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. I'm the listing broker. So if you would like some additional information or come take a look at her, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.